The Adams Edgeless Utility Towel is one of the most versatile towels in the detailing world. I've come to love this towel. I probably have at least 2 dozen of these floating around somewhere, and I always find another use for them. One of the main places I find these towels useful is for interior cleaning of the vehicle. And so with this towel, you can basically clean all the surfaces on the interior of your car. That's your dash, your glass, your seats, even the carpet. Adam discussed this in detail where he talked about how these have like little scrubbers built in. So it just works really well, and you just use, you know, whatever chemicals. So for example, for the windows, you can just do some glass cleaner, spray one onto the towel, and it's a really low pile, so it works well for glass. And I just changed towels here, but put some top star into the towel here. And then you can do your door panel. This works really nice for something like that. And then, like I said, you know, you can use like other cleaners for your carpet and your seats and pair it with this towel, and it works great. So on the exterior, I also find myself using it like on my wheels, engine bay, trim. It works great on a lot of surfaces where you need a little extra scrubbing power. You're not going to use this on your paint per se, but it is soft enough to probably go, if you wanted to do door jambs, you probably could do it with that. One other thing I want to mention is that they seem to hold up to abuse really well. For all those reasons, I'm going to give them 5 stars. And if you want to see more reviews like this done by me, check out my storefront, Jay's Detail Reviews. Thanks for watching.